there are really 4 pillars to success in digital transformation. And here's what those 4 pillars are. Number 1, it's belief. We have to believe in what we're doing, and we have to be absolutely committed to a successful outcome in order for that project to be successful. Number 2, it's people. It's people being involved in the project where we're leveraging a team, we're leveraging knowledge of the team, we're leveraging knowledge of those around us, and we try not to create everything all on our own from scratch. So belief and people, processes. Digital transformation doesn't come from implementing technology. It comes from having processes that are examined and evaluated to create efficient processes that represent the new products and services or savings within our business processes. Last is technology. I am all about digital and the implementation of technology, but I have seen people implement technology without thinking through how they're going to use it and end up by successfully implementing technology without any true application. They have iPads that are too small, or they have a charging cabinet which holds the iPads, but they have no applications. You know, there's many different things that I've seen out there in the past where people run forward and implement technology and don't really understand how it's going to be used and have challenges. So how do you prevent yourself from being that one project which was not successful? You know what we have fears of? All of us have fears that we'll go down the path and do something and it won't be successful. And many times those risks are what prevent people from actually moving forward and implementing on these projects. So how do we create a successful project? Well, let's talk about that again. I said there were 4 main pillars to the success in digital transformation. Let me tell you why I tell you that belief is the most important thing. I've implemented projects and I've gone to the leaders of those projects in the past and I've said, what do you think was the most important element of success in your digital transformation project? I asked the CEO and he told me, he said, it was my absolute commitment to helping the team to be successful. And I told the team that we're not going into another project which we're just going to slightly improve what we're doing. We're going into a digital transformation project and the outcome is going to be successful and I'm going to support you, and together as a team, we're going to make this happen and it's going to come out the other end successful. This is what is the main reason for success of digital transformation projects, is the absolute commitment by leadership and the team around into its successful outcome, believing in ourselves and believing in what we're doing to create success in a project.